everyone, I'm Red from a cash group with members of course me, Red, Nidia, Cindy, Fatima, and Trina. We're glad to see you right now. Now, we're going to talk about the story behind a successful public figure. First, I'm going to share about Danil Mananta. Danil Mananta, who is also known as Vijay Danil, is an Indonesian host, actor, entrepreneur, YouTuber, and senior who is of Chinese Indonesian blood. He was born in Jakarta, August 14, 1981. Dina Mananta graduated from Adit Koen University. He was wife named Viola Maria and has kids named Mila Mananta and Noah Mananta. He has a YouTube channel called Daniel Mananta Network with content titled Daniel Tetangga Kamu. The things that inspires Daniel Mananta is that he is a hardworking, multi-talent, and of course because he always motivates especially young people not to worry and keep trying without forgetting the obligation to worship, because the main key to success is longing to be closer to God. That's all what I want to share. I'll move on to do the next topic.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nidia Utami, you can call me Nidia. I will explain to you all about YouTuber Leonardo Edwin. Leonardo Edwin, born in Batam, May 7, 2000, who is a YouTube channel name is Leonardo Edwin. Leo has one older brother and one younger sister. His older brother name is Kevin and his younger sister name is Karin. Leo is currently studying at the University of Washington. Leo started his first YouTube on September 11, 2012 by posting a guitar cover for the Indonesia Pusaka. On his YouTube channel, Leo uploaded a video about daily life study at the University of Washington and his hobby of climbing mountains. Leo also had the opportunity to appear on YouTube Rewind Indonesia. Leo inspires me to live independently, work hard to be myself.
My name is May Cindy. I will explain to you all about YouTuber. Her name is Kita Savitri Devi. Kita Savitri was born in Palembang, South Sumatra, July 27, 1992. Kita graduated from college in 2017 at Free University of Berlin, Germany. She majored in chemistry. Her YouTube channel name is Kita Savitri Devi. Kita YouTube channel contains cover song, travel vlogs, telling the challenge of the lives of Indonesian students in Germany, about current issues from domestic and foreign. Her YouTube content is very inspiring because she motivates us to keep trying to pursue our ideals as high as possible.
Guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima Zara, but people usually call me Zara. I will explain to you all about YouTuber. Her name is Nesi Judge. Nesi Judge's full name is Nasrin Anis Putri Judge. She is a woman of Javanese descent who was born in Surakarta, October 30, 1993. Nesi has Javanese, Pakistani, Chinese, and Dutch ancestry. Her father, Anis Judge, is an Indonesian citizen of Pakistani and Chinese descent, while the mother, Baby Panwar, is of Javanese, Pakistani, and Dutch descent. Nesi is the first child to have three younger sisters, namely Nilover Judge, Nasnin Judge, and Noren Judge. Nesi also studied at international school while still in junior high school, namely Springfield School, and studied at IPMI International Business School with a Master's in Business Administration or MBA. Nesi started her career in YouTube since 2012. At first, Nesi made video interview content with Caucasians about Indonesia when traveling to Europe with the theme "Where is Indonesia?" and Indonesian Accent Challenge. The peak of her popularity on YouTube when Nesi made Neror or Nesi horror content. It contains horror stories, conspiracy theories, to strengths even from around the world. Even so, Nessie's content is not only narrow. There is also about generasi, Nessie's vlog, videos aimed in and travel vlogs. Currently, Nessie has YouTube subscribers of up to 9.7 million. All of her videos have been watched 1.2 billion times. Nessie is also a celebgram and singer. Nessie managed to release a song called You're Truly in collaboration with Raguel Leon in 2020. Okay guys, that is my explanation about YouTuber Nessie Jazz. Thank you for listening my explanation. See you!
Guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Trinayanti Mendava, but people usually call me Trina. I will explain to you all about YouTuber. Her name is Jerome Pauline. Jerome Pauline. Jerome Pauline's childhood and family. Jerome Pauline was born in Jakarta on May 2, 1998. This means that Jerome Pauline's current age is 21 years. Jerome Pauline's father's name is Marojan Sijabat and Jerome Pauline's mother's name is Krisi Remensa. Jerome Pauline has two brothers. Jerome Pauline's older brother is named Jihan Sijabat and Jerome Pauline's younger brother is named Javeral Sijabat. How was Jerome Pauline's childhood? Jerome Pauline as a girl was initially not very fond of mathematics. However, one day her student came when his mother said that mathematics was like a pirate game. When we can count the code, then we can get the treasure. From here, Jerome Pauline made think about mathematics, which made him finally like and cultivate mathematics. Science childhood Jerome Pauline has dreamed of studying abroad. He is based on how often during elementary school he heard his friends tell about their vacation abroad. He is aware that he was born from a simple family, so to realize his dream of traveling abroad one way he still go to school there. Jerome Pauline religions Christian. Jerome Pauline Potter and Beach Journey. Jerome Pauline's life journey. In order to realize his dream of studying abroad, Jerome Pauline from the beginning of high school had prepared a plan to be able to participate in the Olympics and excel, which that the hope that his chance of obtaining a scholarship will widen open. So it is nothing surprising that a series of achievements can be carved out, which slowly opened up a number of opportunities to take him to study abroad. One of the opportunities that came up was a scholarship to NTU, Singapore. Actually, Jerome Pauline's test result will declared passed, but unfortunately, it turned out that he only got a scholarship only 50% in, not full, showing the family's economies regular retreated. Not long ago, there was an offer of a well-funded school scholarship in Japan, but of course getting a scholarship from Mitsui and Co. Ltd., one of the biggest trading companies in Japan, is very difficult. Just imagine that out of tens of thousands of rail trains
only 2 people were accepted. At that time, around 16,000 people applied for this scholarship, and Jerome Pauline was one of the 2 people selected to receive this scholarship. Jerome Pauline Education. Jerome Pauline started his education at the playgroup Taman Harapan Malang, then continued to kindergarten Taman Harapan Malang, that continued to SD and SMP IPH School Surabaya. After that, me continue to SMA Negeri Surabaya and continue to Japan to studying at Waseda University majoring in applied mathematics. Jerome Pauline Education. Jerome Pauline started his education at the playgroup Taman Harapan Malang, then continued the kindergarten Taman Harapan Malang, then continued to SD and SMP IPH School Surabaya. After that, he continued to SMA Negeri Surabaya and continued to Japan to studying at Waseda University majoring in applied mathematics. Jerome Pauline achievements. He won first place in the 2016 Industrial Engineering National Olympiad, 2 place in 2015 Pharmacy Olympiad, 3 place in the 2014 Mathematics Olympiad. The winner 14 years Japanese speech contest, Suginami Association. First place in Surabaya City 2015 as 6 famous students competition, and first place National Vector Mathematics Olympiad Malang State University 2015. Career journey as a YouTuber. Initially, Jerome Pauline founded the Nihongo Mantapu YouTube channel with his friend Kevin, who is also an Indonesian student studying in the Japan. However, in August 2018, Kevin decided to resign one reason in to focus on the work of college. Although alone, Jerome Pauline still runs his YouTube channel. He review an utopia of life in Japan, mathematics lessons, even about his family life. Jerome Pauline Instagram, email Jerome Pauline's girlfriend or love. Currently, Jerome Pauline does not have a lover or girlfriend. 6 lessons you can learn from Jerome Pauline inspirational story. 1. It is really necessary to find out what you want. Since childhood, you may have had the desire to study abroad. You know this desire arose when he often saw his friends going abroad for vacation. But he wanted to go abroad more than just a vacation. Therefore, he was determined to be able to study abroad. But not only that, Jerome Pauline has also found his passion in mathematics for a long time. This can make Jerome Pauline focus and also be distracted in doing things that can help him to realize his dream. So, the first step you have to take in an effort to achieve your dreams is to find out what it is that you really want. 2. Having a wish is still not enough. It must be executed. A dream is just a dream until you decide to execute. And 3. to make those dreams. 2. Having a wish is still not enough. It must be executed. A dream is just a dream until you decide to execute. And 3. To make those dreams come true. Having a dream is not enough. After determining his dream to be able to study abroad, Jerome Pauline really tried and took real action to make his dream come true. Jerome Pauline is aware that his dreams cannot be easily obtained. He does not play games in his studies. He even spends his time traveling from home to school in public transportation to study. With this hard work, he entered the top 10 junior high school, studying with the best national exam scores in East Java. Amazing, right? So after determining what your dream is, you must also try to make your dreams come to which real action to go. Number 3. In achieving a dream, sacrifice is obligatory. In his efforts to achieve his dream of being able to study abroad, it turned out that Jerome Pauline had to sacrifice many things. Now, for example, he spent a lot of his free time studying. This caused him to lose time to be able to enjoy relaxing moments such as hanging out with friends, playing social media, and so on. From his story, we can conclude that there are in the success that can be obtained without sacrifice. So, are you ready to sacrifice to achieve your dreams goal? Number 4. Learn from the mistake the first of others. He was down when they see other people fail. If he does fail, then what's about me? This kind of thinking needs to be reformed, guys. Not let the mistakes and failures of others make you down and despair. Precisely with other people failures, we must then show that we don't repeat the same mistakes so that we can get better results. Number 5. Nothing in impossible if you want to work hard. One of the main requirements of submitting a scholarship application in Japan in the upper level Japanese language test. The top Japanese test is not an easy matter. Not a few people will fail to get a score at a minimum level of language skill as a condition for applying for a scholarship. At first glance, it looks very difficult and impossible, but Jerome Pauline managed to complete the test well. This process then with effort and hard work. There is nothing that cannot be done. So never back down just because your alone looks impossible. The next number 6. Dreams have not been achieved. Do not be discouraged. Maybe many of you don't know that Jerome Pauline actually took part in the scholarship selection at Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. The result was disappointing. He was only entitled to a partial scholarship of 15% in. Not wanting to burden his parents, he decided not to take to over. His dreams to studying in Singapore failed. Even so, he was not discouraged after failing to get a scholarship in Singapore. He worked hard and applied for a scholarship to Japan, and as you know, now he can study at Waseda University, Japan with a full scholarship. From this story, you can learn that if you can achieve your dream right now,